Hi guys, if you're watching this video you probably have the same problem as me. Broken shelves in the fridge. They all broken, cracked or broken. Yes, Frigidaire did really bad job. Look, every time then you pull in shelf, this piece get loaded. Do we have any enforcements here? Oh, there is none. It's just plastic piece. It's destined to be broken. It's a really bad design. I think the engineers are stupid or very smart. I think they're smart because then I try to buy new piece replacement. This piece cost 60 to 70 bucks and I need 8 of them. That's over 500 bucks. I probably can buy a new fridge. Well, nice business Frigidaire does. Anyway, we are here to make a cheap fix of this problem. So let's do it. First I went to Princess Auto and got this aluminium piece. It's almost the same. It's aluminium, it's stronger than the shit. It will never rust and it's really easy to work. It's not a steel. Okay, now we have a easy plan. We're going to mark it. After we mark it, we will cut pieces. Then we're going to smooth edges using this, and we need a holes. To make a holes, we're gonna use this. You can use traditional approach. You can see I already cut those pieces and now I'm just smoothing the edges. You know, actually much easier than it looks. This is very soft metal. Just a little and it's normal. Okay, here's one of the tricks. To make a holes I need to mark it, but it's really hard to mark it using this because it feels all the way. So what I did to mark this, I take a strap. Here's the strap and put the marks here on the strap. Similar where I need to do it at 2 centimeters and 231. And this one I can mark it using the marker for my holes, no problem. Fast forward. I make 6 of them. Each of them has 2 holes. The original plastic one has a grooves inside and it has this one like this. For me this screw does not work because if I will put it inside it will stick out, so I got smaller screw. This one is a flat one, and to make it flat I make this with a groove. So how you do it? First you screw it through with a small drill and then take a bigger drill and do not screw it through and just make it little space for head. Maybe you can see it here. Yeah, like this. Okay, so let's install it. Alright guys, as you can see the fridge is broken. Look here. Yeah. This one, the same thing. And this one, same with this. And same with this. And this. That's a design. Okay, so it did not work out a little. It's too wide. I need to make it more narrow. Just 2 millimeters from each side. So what I do, I'm taking this Lexan polycarbonate sheet and cut. This is a metal cutters, and cut the small pieces like this here with a hole inside to install it on other side to make rails more close to each other. That will be good enough. Okay, that job is done. I decided not to change the top one, but change this, this and this. Everything works the way it's supposed to. I installed the spacers. They are here and here and on the other side. Because of that I was forced to go back to Home Depot to buy longer screws to compensate for the spacers. And now looks better than original.